Just been working on my Volvo V70 183 brake horsepower on the swirl linkage. Just made up a new arm off of the actuator, which actually now fits tighter with a nut and bolt going through the hardened piece of plastic with a screw and some Loctite to hold the screw in place, with a new swirl arm attached to, and now there's no play that it can pop off the ball joint at the back. Fingers crossed this will cure the problem for once and for all. What a stupid idea in the beginning to put on a Volvo. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like my video. Thank you very much. Bull Builder.